So like how we buy a day pass, it's gonna work right through, you have to buy the next ticket.
No, day pass.
Okay.
For the whole day.
Yeah. Thank you.
المحطة الأخيرة لهذا القطار هي الإمارات العربية المتحدة للطيران. المحطة القادمة هي برج خليفة دبي مول. The final destination of this train is UAE Exchange. The next station is Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall.
That's what I'm doing. Yeah.
المحطة القادمة هي برج خليفة دبي مول.
We're going back to the mall now, guys.
The next
I said we're going back to the mall now.
Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall.
The train brought us back to the
Doors will
mall.
open on the right-hand side.